What do the dashboard warning indicator lights and cluster in the 2024 Toyota 4Runner signify? These lights provide crucial information about your vehicle's performance and safety. Understanding them ensures you're aware of any potential issues with your 4Runner.
Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Brake system warning light, low outside temperature indicator, malfunction indicator lamp, SRS warning light, ABS warning light, dynamic radar cruise control, slip indicator,
High coolant temperature, fog light indicator,
PCS warning light, low fuel level warning light, seatbelt reminder light,
charging system,
power steering warning light,
BSM outside rear view mirror,
tire pressure warning light, rear passenger's seatbelt reminder lights,
A-track indicator,
dynamic radar cruise control, turn signal indicator, headlight indicator, tail light indicator, headlight high beam indicator, automatic headlamp high beam, security indicator, eco driving indicator, light,
driving assist information,
VSC off indicator, airbag on off indicator,
brake hold operated, inappropriate pedal operation, LTA indicator, low engine oil pressure, parking brake indicator, smart key system, downhill assist control, auto LSD indicator, KDSS warning light, multi-terrain select indicator, crawl control indicator, intuitive parking assist off, master warning light, RCTA off indicator, cruise control set indicator, unengaged park warning light, automatic running boards, four-wheel drive, low-speed four-wheel drive, center differential lock, rear differential lock.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.